Now we want to know what will be Laplace transform of some different functions, because given this f of t, we have defined that the Laplace transform of this particular function is, you can also write down if you feel like, just take this f of t, multiply e power minus st and integrate it with respect to t from 0 to infinity. That is the definition. So in that case, suppose I consider a function, say e power a t, e power some constant into t. Then what happens here? We have 0 to infinity e power at into e power minus st dt. Since bases are same, I can take these powers and rewrite it as 0 to infinity e power minus of, I'll take minus common, so I can write it as s minus a into t dt. Why I'm doing this, taking this minus outside is, we have this limit infinity here. So when I integrate, that minus will help, you will be seeing in the next step now. So that is equal to e power, integral of e power something is, it is e power whatever is there, e power minus of s minus a into t, divided by, along with this variable t, what extra thing we have multiplied here, minus of s minus a. Just divide it. So this is happening between 0 to infinity. So what do we have here? When we apply first limit infinity, you see here e power minus infinity. That's why I took minus outside. So e power minus infinity is 0. So first term will be 0 minus, second term we have 0, t equal to 0. So e power, this whole thing into 0, we have e power 0, which is nothing but 1, divided by, of course, this minus of s minus a term is there. So therefore, this is equal to 1 by s minus a. Now, the interesting thing that we do here is, from next time, whenever we come across a function like e power something, we don't do all this integration thing. Because we know after doing the integration, the result will be 1 by s minus a. So directly, we'll just write this. So how do we write the gist of this whole story? L of e power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. So here remembering comes into the picture. So no need to work all this integral and all. Just remember that Laplace of e power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. Similarly, what will be the answer when we take the Laplace of sine at and sine hyperbolic at and so on? There are many different functions. So all those, in fact, you can just do the integration similarly. That's what we have written here. Now, we just put together all these results in a single table, and if you just remember this, remaining thing is slow and careful manipulation. That's it. So this, if you are not clear and if you have forgot or something, make sure you write each one of them down now itself. So maybe you can take a pic, of course, but once you write, you will have it in your memory. So just write it down.